Here is how to add expense categories in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin in your QuickBooks Online account and look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts already in your company file, including income, assets, liabilities, and expense accounts. You are adding a new expense category from this area because categories for expenses are created as accounts in the Chart of Accounts. Once the Chart of Accounts page is open, click New. This opens the account setup window where you define the category you want to add. Take a moment to make sure you are creating the correct type of account before entering any details, since the account type affects how transactions are organized in your books. In the Account Type drop-down, select Expenses. This tells QuickBooks that the new account will be used for tracking money your business spends. If you choose a different account type here, the category will not appear in the right place when you record expense transactions, so it is worth checking this field before moving on. Next, choose the appropriate detail type. The detail type gives QuickBooks a more specific label for the kind of expense account you are creating. Pick the option that matches the purpose of this category as closely as possible. This does not replace the account name, but it helps define the category within QuickBooks. After that, go to the account name field and enter a name for the new expense category. Use a name that clearly matches the type of spending you want to track. This is the label you will see later when selecting categories on expenses, bills, checks, and other transactions, so it should be specific enough to identify the category without confusion. If you want this new category to sit under an existing expense account, check Make this a sub-account. When you select that option, you can place the new category beneath a parent expense account so it is grouped under a broader heading. Use this only if you want the account nested within another expense category rather than listed on its own. You can also enter a description for the category if needed. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to add internal notes about how the category should be used. Keep the description focused on the purpose of the account so it remains clear when someone reviews it later. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will add the new expense category to your chart of accounts and make it available for use in expense-related transactions. Your new expense category is now added to the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online.